Hello friends, I'm Channa and welcome you to my channel Our Education. Hyderabad, a beautiful city of Telangana, which is a hub of trade, commerce, IT and tourism, is now becoming a hub of UPSC coaching center as well. So, if you are searching for the best UPSC coaching in Hyderabad, so this video is going to be very important for you. So for the selection of right coaching, these four parameters are very important: batch size, fee structure, past year result and students' feedback. Rank 1 coaching center is Plutus IS. The best feature of Plutus IS is that it provides live interactive online classes. So if you are the one who cannot leave your job for preparation, or you want to study from home during this COVID pandemic situation, then this coaching is the best option for you. And if we talk about the batch size, then there are 40 students in a batch. It runs its classes in a very small batch size, due to which it can concentrate on each and every students. Faculty is very good in Plutus IS. If you want to take admission in Plutus IS, then you have to take a test which is called Diagnostic IS test. And after that, the fee structure. The fee structure of Plutus IS is 1,50,000 plus GST. And if you talk about the past year result, then past year result is more than 50%. Yes, in this UPSC 2019 result, Plutus IS has given more than 50% result. There were 40 students in a batch and there were 2 batches. Total 80 students. So, in 80, 43 students have cleared the IS exam in UPSC 2019. So, this is the best coaching center in Hyderabad and it is ranked 1 because of the students' rating. Students' rating is 9.8 out of 10. So, if you want to take admission in Plutus IS, you can visit its site Plutus IS Academy, and this is the number where you can contact. And there is a platform called The Hindu Zone. It is one of the best platform where all the best coaching of India is registered. You can check here and contact here, and then you will get to know that which is the best coaching for your IS preparation. You can even get counseling service in The Hindu Zone. So rank 2 coaching in Hyderabad is Analog IS Academy. Analog IS is one of the best coaching center which has given the best results in past years. So if we talk about the fee structure, then fees of GS plus optional subject is 1,60,000 and fees of IS mains is 1,40,000 and fees for IS prelims is 1,20,000. And if we talk about the batch size, then batch size of Analog IS is 150 students in a batch. And past year result is also very good. We have many toppers from this coaching institute, Analog IS. So now let's see the students' rating. So students' rating is 4.9 out of 5. It is the best coaching center in Hyderabad for UPSC preparation, which is one of the toughest exam of India. So if you want admission in Analog IS Academy, you can contact on this number, and for more details you can visit its website. So rank 3rd coaching in Hyderabad is Braintree IS Academy. Braintree IS is one of the best coaching center which will provide you the best service and coaching skills. So if we talk about the fee structure, then fees for the GS subject is 1,18,000 and fees for the optional subject is 35,400. And if we see the batch size, then there is 150 students in a batch. And if we talk about the past year result, then many toppers came from this institute. Rank 4 Smita Das is from this coaching institute in 2018 result. And if we talk about the students' rating, then students' rating is 4.9 out of 5, which is the best rating. So, if you want to take admission in best coaching for UPSC preparation, then you can take admission in Braintree IS. So, this is the number you can contact, and for more details, you can visit its website. So rank 4th coaching in Hyderabad is RC Reddy IS Study Circle. If you want to take admission in one of the famous and reputed coaching institute in Hyderabad, you can take admission in RC Reddy IS. And if we talk about the fee structure, then fees for the GS course without optional is 1,11,000 for 1 year, and with optional subject fees is 1,46,000. And batch size of this coaching is 110 students in a batch. And past year result is also very good. Many students have cracked exam with rank 419, 318, 417, 432. And if we talk about the students rating, then students rating for RC Reddy IS is 4.1 out of 5. And if you want to take admission in RC Reddy, then you can contact on this number and website, visit its website for more details. So rank 5th coaching center in Hyderabad is the IS Mentors Hyderabad. It is one of the best coaching center which will provide you full guidance for the UPSC preparation. And if we talk about the fee structure, then fees for the full IS course prelims plus mains is 1,20,000, and for the only prelims preparation fees is 70,000, and for only mains preparation fees is 50,000. And if you talk about the batch size, then batch size is very small with 90 students in a batch, and past year result is also very good. Many students with rank 50, 517, 518, 519 have cracked this exam. And if we talk about the students rating, then students rating is 4.9 out of 5. So if you want to take admission in the IS Mentors Hyderabad, you can contact on this number and visit its website for more details. So I hope this information is going to be very useful for you. So please like our video and subscribe our channel for more government exam related updates. And if you have any concern regarding the UPSC preparation or UPSC coaching, then you can comment in comment box.